How to use a slow cooker. 7 easy steps and 5 recipe ideas. Slow cookers are truly kitchen superstars, revolutionizing the way we prepare and enjoy meals. These magical appliances allow us to effortlessly whip up delicious dishes, from savory stews to delectable desserts, all while preserving the rich flavors and nutrients. Designed to cook food slowly at low temperatures, typically between 170 and 280 degrees Fahrenheit, they bring out the best in every ingredient, especially in tougher and cheaper cuts of meat. Plus, with some smart preparation tricks, like getting everything ready the night before, they can simplify even the most hectic schedules. As the popularity of these appliances continues to grow, so does the wealth of knowledge and tips surrounding their use. We collected all of our slow cooker info to provide you with a comprehensive video guide, ensuring every meal you make is a culinary success. What is a crock-pot or slow cooker? A slow cooker, often known by the popular brand name crock-pot, is an electrical countertop appliance designed to simmer food at a low temperature over an extended period of time. The primary purpose is to cook dishes slowly, allowing the flavors to meld and tenderize tougher cuts of meat. It typically consists of a ceramic or porcelain pot housed in a surrounding heating element. The design ensures consistent and gentle heat circulation, promoting even cooking. One key advantage of using a slow cooker is the convenience it offers. You can prepare the ingredients, place them inside, set the desired time, and let the appliance do the rest. Whether you're making stews, soups, or casseroles, the slow cooker makes it easy to have a delicious, home-cooked meal ready with minimal hands-on effort. It's perfect for busy individuals who love the comfort of homemade dishes without the constant monitoring that traditional cooking might require. The basics of slow cooker usage. To begin, take the time to familiarize yourself with the proper usage of your slow cooker. It operates slightly differently than a traditional oven or stovetop. One key tip is to always cook with the lid securely in place. By doing so, the heat and moisture are effectively trapped inside, resulting in a delectably juicy slow cooker meal with each preparation. Beyond that, it's important to resist the temptation to open the lid during the cooking process unless specifically directed by the recipe. Opening the lid prematurely can disrupt the cooking time and compromise the desired outcome. Step-by-step guide on how to use a crock-pot or slow cooker. 1. Picking the right crock-pot recipes. When I first started experimenting with my crock-pot, I discovered that not all recipes are suitable for slow cooking. However, I soon found out that soups, roasts, and certain meats like pork shoulder or chicken thighs become incredibly tender and burst with flavor after several hours of slow cooking on low heat. The long and gentle cooking process allows the flavors to meld together and create a mouth-watering dish that is worth the wait. So, if you're new to slow cooking, I recommend starting with a classic slow cooker recipe like a hearty beef stew or a comforting chicken noodle soup. These tried and true recipes will help you get a feel for the cooking process and unleash your creativity in the kitchen. 2. Understand your slow cooker settings. Most slow cookers come with 2 or 3 settings: low, high, and some with a keep warm setting. For longer cooking durations and delicate dishes, use low. For faster cooking or more substantial cuts of meat, high is your best bet. 3. Preparing your ingredients. Before you dump everything into your crock-pot, take a few moments to prepare. I recommend trimming excess fat from meats, especially if you're cooking a roast or pork shoulder, to avoid too much liquid in your finished dish. Additionally, browning meat before adding it to the slow cooker can significantly boost flavor. 4. Fill your slow cooker properly. It's essential to fill your slow cooker correctly. For the best results, aim to have your crock pot between 1/2 and 2/3 full. If it's less full, you risk burning your food. On the other hand, overfilling can lead to uneven cooking or even a potential overflow. 5. Organizing ingredients in your crock pot. For those juicy chicken breasts or tender chicken thighs, consider how you layer ingredients. Place firm, slow-cooking root vegetables like potatoes and carrots at the bottom, and pile your meat on top. This ensures that everything will cook evenly. 6. Setting the right cook time and temperature. Understanding cook time is crucial when using a slow cooker. Generally, most slow cooker recipes have a low and high setting. Chicken breasts, for example, can cook for 6 to 7 hours on low or 3 to 4 hours on high. Thicker meats like roasts or pork shoulder may require more extended periods, especially on a low setting. 7. Serving up your delicious crock-pot creation. Once your recipe has finished cooking, it's time for the best part, eating and enjoying. Use oven mitts to carefully remove the inner crock. Allow your dish to rest for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. This helps thicken sauces and allows meat to firm up. Garnish your hearty stew or aromatic curry with fresh herbs or chopped veggies. Finally, ladle piping hot portions into bowls and take that first mouth-watering bite of your tender, flavorful crock-pot creation. 5 must-try slow cooker recipes. 1. Mouth-watering chili. There's nothing like a warm bowl of chili on a cold day. Using a slow cooker allows the flavors to meld together perfectly. Ingredients: ground beef, 1 pound. Kidney beans, drained and rinsed, 1 can, 16 ounces. Diced tomatoes, 1 can, 16 ounces. Onion, chopped, 1. Garlic cloves, minced, 2. Chili powder, 2 teaspoons. Cumin, 1 teaspoon. Salt and pepper, to taste. Instructions: start by browning the beef in a pan. Once done, transfer it to your slow cooker. Add the remaining ingredients and stir. Cook on low for 8 hours. I recommend serving with shredded cheese and a slice of crusty bread on the side for a heartwarming meal. 2. Hearty beef stew. This is a staple in my household during the winter months. The beef becomes so tender it practically melts in your mouth. Ingredients: cubed beef, 1 pound. Potatoes, diced, 3. Carrots, sliced, 2. Celery stalks, chopped, 2. Beef broth, 4 cups. Onion, chopped, 1. Salt, pepper, and a bay leaf, to taste. Instructions: first, sear the beef cubes in a pan for a richer flavor. Transfer them to the slow cooker. Add the vegetables and pour in the broth. Season as required and let it simmer on low for 8 hours until everything's tender and flavorful. 3. Creamy chicken pasta. A delightful twist to the usual chicken recipes, this one's a favorite for pasta lovers. Ingredients: chicken breasts, 2. Penne pasta, 2 cups. Chicken broth, 2 cups. Cream cheese, 4 ounces. Garlic cloves, minced, 2. Onion, chopped, 1. Salt and pepper, to taste. Instructions: place the chicken breasts in the slow cooker. Add broth, cream cheese, garlic, and onions. Season with salt and pepper. Cook on low for 6 hours. Add the penne pasta 30 minutes before you're ready to eat. I recommend garnishing with chopped fresh parsley for added freshness. 4. Flawless slow cooker rice. Believe it or not, you can make perfect rice in a slow cooker. It's hands-free and requires no babysitting. Ingredients: white rice, 2 cups. Water, 4 cups. Butter, 1 tablespoon. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Instructions: wash the rice thoroughly under cold water until the water is clear. This ensures fluffy rice. Add the washed rice, water, butter, and salt to the slow cooker. Cook on high for 2 hours. Once done, fluff it with a fork. This is a side dish I recommend for virtually any main meal, as it's versatile and pairs well with many flavors. 5. Savory breakfast potatoes. Start your morning right with these savory potatoes. It's like having dinner-style breakfast at home. Ingredients: diced potatoes, 4 cups. Bell peppers, chopped, 1 cup. Onions, chopped, 1 cup. Olive oil, 2 tablespoons. Garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. Salt and pepper, to taste. Instructions: in a mixing bowl, combine potatoes, bell peppers, onions, olive oil, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Make sure the potatoes are well coated with the seasonings. Transfer this mix to your slow cooker. Cook on high for 3 hours. I recommend serving these with scrambled eggs for a complete breakfast experience. Final thoughts: mastering the use of the slow cooker can significantly elevate your culinary game. This versatile appliance not only simplifies the cooking process, but also ensures rich flavors by locking in the essence of ingredients. Always make sure to use fresh produce and meats to get the most out of your dishes. The prolonged cooking times at low temperatures tenderize meats and meld flavors seamlessly. So, the next time you're aiming for a delicious, hassle-free meal, don't hesitate to use the slow cooker. Its convenience and consistent results are bound to impress. I hope in no time you learn how to use a slow cooker properly, and with our tips and tricks, you can make perfect dishes with delicious taste.